Hey guys, Rob Avis here. I'm standing in my garden in Calgary here. As you guys probably know, we've moved to a farm, but I'm back in Calgary for a few days. And tomorrow night I'm going to be going live for 2.5 hours to teach an introduction to permaculture course. And the reason I'm doing it is to launch our online permaculture design course, which is a 3-month commitment. It's a big commitment. And so it's kind of a try before you can buy. And so I got this message from a friend the other day, and I thought I'd read it to you because I think it really kind of captures the essence of the actions that people can take right now in spite of this crazy phenomena that's going on around the world. And by crazy, I mean we're seeing the shutdown of the modern economy and all of its supply chains, some of which are going to affect energy and water and food. And so permaculture is designed as a design system to address all of those supply chain issues and many more. So I want to read this to you, and then I'll give you a bit more information about what we're going to cover in the introduction to permaculture tomorrow night. That's going to be, my phone will work right now, April 14th from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. It's going to be on our YouTube channel, and I'll put a link to how you can get notified about that live stream tomorrow. Completely free, and you're going to be able to ask questions, and we're going to go through some of the basic design principles that we teach in our larger permaculture design course. So here it is. If you believe this virus is spread human to human, the antidote is building the immune system by eating plants and natural medicines and sitting in nature alone or with your immediate family, soaking up vitamin D and sunshine. If you believe that this virus is symptoms of 5G exposure, then the antidote is sitting in nature, connecting to Mother Earth, building your immunity with eating plants and natural medicines. Submerge yourself in water and dirt. If you believe that this is all a hoax and you need to just sit back while Q saves us all, then the answer is sitting in nature, building gardens for the new Earth, commune with God, eat plants and natural medicines that strengthen your connection and open your channel to the new Earth frequency, ascend with her. If you believe the economy is collapsing and authoritarian dictatorship is imminent, the most radical thing you can do in protest is build a garden, release dependency on the system. If you believe that Mother Earth is mad at us and purging the human race, the answer is go outside and listen, build a garden, and align with her. The answer is always nature. Always. We do not have to argue about why. The antidote is obvious. Alignment with the Mother, with our source of nurturance, remembering everything we use and need comes from her. Give thanks, humble, slow down, observe, and listen. Written by Katie Lamont. So I really resonated with that because we really can't understand why right now. All we know is what is currently happening. We're seeing the disassembly of the modern economy that we've all come to expect and rely on, and that's affecting all of our supply chains. And it's impossible to predict where this is all going to go. And so one of the things that we like to think about is the serenity prayer, which basically amounts to understanding where you have a sphere of influence and where you have a sphere of concern. And so it's important to understand your sphere of concern, but then bring it back down to what do I have control over. So permaculture design gives us the tools and techniques to be able to think about the sphere of concern, but then bring it back down to a practical aspect that will allow us to take action. And when we start taking action in the right ways, a lot of the anxieties that people have been calling me and talking about start to diminish because you actually see progress in the right direction. So come on out to the introduction to permaculture tomorrow night. Bring all your questions. Please send this to all your friends. Like I said, it's completely free because we're live streaming on YouTube. And if you're on the fence about taking a permaculture design course, we are offering it for the first time online starting the Sunday coming up in 7 days from now actually. And it's super cheap because we've reduced the price of it so that people can afford it during this COVID scenario. We've got 6 teachers, and we're going to walk through how to start to take action over the next 3 months. So you're going to have a group and a community to commune with, to help you get through all the hard parts, both emotionally but also from a technical perspective. You're going to have teachers you can ask questions of. You're going to have TAs in the program that have already taken the permaculture design course to lean on. We're creating a private Facebook group. It's going to be an incredible experience, and I'm just so excited to be able to offer this to folks and go through all of this stuff with you guys. So check out the live stream tomorrow night, 2.5-hour introduction to permaculture. We'll give you some of our best tips and techniques and answer your questions for the evening. So thanks so much, guys. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you guys real soon.